Kalau perlu perjuangan mata kesini kadang tuan sini siapa paham sim, te ngawan pe jangan ka spot jong karib hoy.
Moving on to the best team in the under 14 boys and girls, under 16 boys and girls.
Perlu orang disita dek video jangan asal ngawan pe jangan dapat.
Let me invite
But
our guest of
sini
honor,
berak
our district education officer, Madam
minta kesini nggak blok sini siapa paham sim.
the trophies to the best team in the
Pe
under
sini
14 category.
video upload sudah berak pe.
The
Dari kadang sini saya minta kun saya ingin saya beli PC ba ngandrong sini siapa ba kumlo kan long ka jingbun breu bat ka yu saya pe tabangan patipat mano ba de banjok mano ba de ba Ahmad na patit ta dengan sepeni PC ba ro ini kambatan ro kalong ba yu baik breu la bon na ba fight badal kan na baik la double ba fight dia kadang pun kecing lah rai nomor ba nampak jumlen mau akan ki ba apa ni fisia ba itu siapa berapa itu baik sih kalau kita kipai ba jong karib hoy Henry ka madan pat kalong kum ne Gibri babun ha Hai kamera stay bikin saya.
Congratulations, Little Blossom Secondary School. Let's give a big round of applause. The winners. Thank you so much, madam, and congratulations to the school.
Nah, klub keren naik kapur. Baik kamadan ro kalong kumne. Kampat best ba mo. Haji syakat karib hoy jenging la dai banyo ka madan bakam best rei. Kamadan ro kampat best ra.
In the under 16 boys. Under 16 boys category. The best team goes to with 5 girls, 4 silver, 2 bronze. That is St. Joseph Higher Secondary School. Please come forward. Boys team. Under 16 boys category, St. Joseph Higher Secondary School. And in the under 18 girls category, we have any guesses for under 18 girls? I don't hear any name.
Pai perlu kita ke brew jong karib hoy. Ladap hadukan ne.
And for the under 16 girls category we have with 4 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze. St. Alfred Secondary School. Under 16 girls category. Please come forward. Moving on to the under 18 years girls. Under 18 years girls category. The winners with 5 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze. That is St. Paul Higher Secondary School. And the under 18 boys category, any guesses for the under 18 boys best team? You know they've got 6 gold, 2 silver and 3 bronze. That is the team, the school, the name of the school, St. Paul Higher Secondary School. Please come forward. Please come forward. Congratulations to all the schools for winning the best team. Now, trophy.
Te perlu
The one and only trophy. That is the overall
Kita iba andang ala.
Bronze gold.
Sa
Gold,
panglayak
silver,
YouTube channel
and
jonga.
bronze. A total
Perlu
of
kita ipa.
28 medals.
Kaya bro koy landam lut. Brio Henry kamadan pat kampat ler. Hagi sya kat kamadan jowi. Kat karib hoy ka di bandap mo. Tamba kampat dap re. Kamadan ro balong kumne pai kadon ka Hagi sya kat karib hoy ngadon ya ka artificial mo. Tamba kadang don ka jibdana sibun pai. Senai hagi kena jong karib hoy mo. Namar kita kamare kamadan kendau. Baik. Haji syakat karib hoy ngila dai banyo artificial playground but mentang ipek. Tambatan ro kalong syak bas nei hai kena jong karib hoy mo. Kanta bang ibun ma gimi naki player jong karib hoy ma mi bun hendrei. Mentang pin sai kamadan kalong kumno. Kasule khana khmar gini ki student mo. Pin sai barak hoy. Di perlu ada fiskal ya kene ke channel jaga bar kene ka you mena ka si subhaban share bat like bat subscribe ya ka channel janga mo bisa gi mena ka kade ka si ka bakhadu jong ka ribhoi spot mo makan sabun na mena ka si pan kan tahap na kita kil lama badan mo wait ini ki student Okay bro, bye bye.